Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. There are only 2 days left in June, and this closing phase might act as a beautiful springboard into July. Historically, July has delivered strong performances in bull market years like 2013, 2017, and 2021. June opened at 104.6K. So far, we are sitting on a 2.35% monthly gain. That is decent considering the slow grind and range-bound price action throughout this month. In periods like these, where hot pockets of liquidity exist both above and below current price, it becomes increasingly difficult to predict the next direction. But that pressure is building, and resolution is near. If we break down from here, it may simply be part of the market's natural rhythm. I call these up and down RSI movements a type of breathing, like air which is going in and out. If that happens, watch the lower hot pocket between 106.1K and 105.1K. If Bitcoin falls through that zone and breaks the yellow dash line at 104.6K, then June could close in the red. That would likely trigger renewed fear, talk of the so-called summer slump, and new bear market rumors. But if bulls step in now, we might see a push above the blue resistance at 107.6K. That could liquidate the overhead short leverage that has been sitting there since June 25th, driving price up from 108K to over 109.3K. Once we enter that zone, we are back in striking distance of the purple horizontal line at 112K, the last all-time high. And from there, a strong July could take care of the rest. If the bullish summer trend from previous bull market years repeats, we could see Bitcoin comfortably land above 120K in the coming weeks. It is important to stay sharp and monitor this closely. At the time of recording, the price action leans slightly toward an upside resolution. This could happen as early as Sunday evening, which has surprised us multiple times already this year. Looking at my flashback market stats indicator, the data shows that Saturday and Sunday have the lowest volume, but still manage to close green more often than not. Saturday averages a gain of 1.34%, while Sunday is close behind with 1.33%. Monday is the outperformer, with a historical average of plus 2%. If we loosely applied those figures to the current chart, it would project Saturday closing at around 108.5K, Sunday at 109.9K, and Monday taking us into new all-time high territory. Of course, the market never moves with such precision, but it gives us valuable perspective. We are consolidating just under all-time highs, while sentiment is full of fear, and honestly that is both silly and funny. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.